don't you take a little video and send it over to Haley?
I am right
There you
now.
are.
Oh, there, that's a good one right there.
Look at those little fatties. Aw.
You're a good one. Isn't that crazy that she has black ones? Do you think they'll have long hair?
I think maybe. Yeah. Oops.
The roller.
They're hungry, huh? You were outside for a little while, weren't you?
Look at, oh, there he goes. Roll. Look at that guy with his tummy up. That is so funny.
She roots them around and...
And then she likes their privates, you know, so then that helps them learn how to go to the bathroom, apparently. Did you know that?
I know.
I didn't know that either.
Yeah.
Look at, if you look